right, everybody, got another beautiful Corvette from the Greg Graham's collection. We got about 26 cars from him. He's our owner and founder, and he's liquidating his collection. So this is a great one right here. 67 factory 427 car with the 4-speed. It's just over the top, way cool. Less than 58,000 original miles on this one. It's got power windows too, air conditioning. I mean, it's just phenomenal. Power brakes on here. This is a really special one, guys. It is a numbers matching drivetrain, but it was original 4-barrel car. Somebody went ahead and put a tri-power on it, and yeah, it runs real nice. Let's see what she's got. Yep. I'll get you some of that, man. Just awesome. I mean, it speaks for itself. A car with this type of pedigree. It's a second flight car, NCRS. Scored 93 points. Only thing that kept it from a top plate was an incorrect decal, is my understanding. Completely judged, documented. And yeah, it's got things like the tank sticker on top of that. So just really special. I mean, all the cars are rare for some reason, but this one with the big block and the air conditioning, numbers matching engine, 4-speed power windows. So yeah, our shop checked it out. A couple minor things. I think they just charged the AC on it, and there was one other thing slipping my memory right now. Go on our website to check out all the details of that inspection. We have a full listing of everything that we went ahead and did to it, but it was a great car. It was an extremely short list, and really just kind of maintenance type things that we did to it. So yeah, I would encourage you to come out and test drive it. We are totally transparent here, and this is a fantastic vehicle. Someone's absolutely going to love it. You can check out all the pictures, details, and the full description on volocars.com.
Właśnie wiele takich urządzeń Państwo kupujecie, gdzie nie ma na przykład komputera, nie możecie śledzić